What's going on, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike's Money Tips coming at you today. Coming at you with a quick video to show you 4 websites where you can make $10 every 20 minutes or more. If y'all find any use in this, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. I come out with videos 3 times a week. Sometimes I'll throw in one here and there during the week that, if you don't hit the notification bell, you won't even know I did it. But if y'all want to learn how to make a more passive income, check out the first link in the description. It's my #1 way. It's an initial $7 to start, and it will teach you point A to point B how to do affiliate marketing. So without further ado, let's get started. First site I'm going to go to is trymyui. It's a remote testing site that you get paid to test out websites, apps, watch videos. You can, as you see, it's used by Bose, NBC, Amazon, British Airways, Bureau of Labor and Statistics. I don't know who that is. Priceline. No time for usability testing. As you see, you can analyze and test their videos or websites on this. This is what the company pays if they use their own tester right here. Mobile users or apps, this is where you would get paid. Basically what you do, you go up here where it says get paid to test, you click on it, and it'll take you to a sign up page. On this sign up page, it's going to ask for relatively simple instructions. First name, your PayPal, password, and click I'm not a robot and you sign up. You do have to have a PayPal account for this. That's the only downfall. But, as you see, you'll be paid $10 for each test you take. Typical test lasts about 20 minutes. Like I said, $10 for 20 minutes worth of work. If you could do it, you could make a living doing this, but the thing is that you're not going to be able to get enough from one of these sites to do that. Well, if you sign up for all 4 that I show you, you probably can. If not, you could take your money from this, invest it into something else like the first link in the description, or some other learning platform to learn a skill that will pay the bills, that you don't have to have a real job. It's a really good thing. But yeah, as far as signing up for this, it's super simple and it's not hard at all to do. Let's go over here to example, see if it's got an example, show you how they show to do this. You need either a PC or a phone. Of course, you got to have a microphone. This is basically the way the desktop view looks like. Because the reason why you have to have a microphone and either the phone or desktop, because they're going to need you to have a camera and a microphone. You have to speak what your feelings are or findings are about the website or app that they're asking you about. All these are the same way. It's nothing hard, nothing difficult. Like they say, it takes about 20 minutes per. Here you see you want a full tour, book a 30-minute demo. It's nothing hard, I promise. The next one we're going to go to is userlytics.com. This one pays actually a little better. Let's see, I think it's under real examples that show you how to show you the way this works, and then I'll show you how you get paid. Once this comes up, I'll be more than happy to show you. Here we go. Yeah, excuse me, my computer's slow. Let's go with the desktop, just because it's easier. You know, basically this right here is a YouTube video, as you see, that they show you, and it's 5 minutes long. We're not going to watch the whole thing, I promise you. But as you see, the guy's up here talking about what he's doing here, showing what he thinks and everything. I'm going to speed this along a little bit. Just showing you what they're doing and everything. It's nothing extreme at all. It's just, you know, he's trying to book a room on Airbnb. That's what they're asking him to do. It's nothing hard. Where did I find that a while ago? I think it's under how it works, but be paid to participate. That's the button I was looking for. Here again, let's take your sign up sheet, and it's super simple. These tests right here, you get paid $5, $10, $15, $20, as much as $90 for having these tests. There again, PayPal. Have to have PayPal. Not real hard to get a PayPal account if you got a Gmail account or anything else. It's super simple. Your email address, confirm that you're over 16, and agree to terms. That's all you got to do. Of course, you got to have a Mac with 10.13 or higher, or Windows 7 or higher if you're using a desktop microphone, and I think, yes, webcam for some tests. Some tests, obviously, you don't. So, with this one right here, for the mobile, you got to have Android 5.0 or higher, or iOS 11 or higher. Since I'm not a Mac user, I really don't know which one that is, but that's 5.0 is probably, let's see, my newest phone was 9, so that's a while back. And you know, of course, you gotta have a microphone and everything. Download the app or download the recorder onto your computer, and that's the way you get paid on this one. The next one we're going to talk about is userfeel. There again, same thing. It's you test websites and apps for these guys, watch videos. As you see, they're trusted by a lot of people too. There's a this one I believe is worldwide. I believe. Let me see something here. Become a tester. I don't remember for sure, but I think this one right here may pay out more than just PayPal. Let me look see. Because I know not everybody in the world has PayPal, which I think is wrong. I think PayPal should be worldwide, but I have no control over that. Here you see $10 per test, 10, 20 minutes completed on your home computer, smartphone. Right here they actually give you a, now this one you don't have to have a camera, I don't believe, because if you notice it's just, they just sit here and talk about what's going on and show you the screen and what they're doing and everything else. Follow the instructions that they give you, and you know, it's fairly simple. Let's see, what language should you speak? Speak the language of the test. You'll be sent a test in your native language. Let me see. How do I get paid? No, that's still it's still only, hold on, or Amazon gift card. So you can get paid in Amazon gift cards as well here. Okay. I thought there was more than one way to get paid. So even if you can't have PayPal, you can get paid in Amazon. I know not everybody wants Amazon gift card, but it's money that you can use for other things to free up money to be able to purchase other things. So, I mean, it is another website. And the last one that we're going to show is user testing. This one right here pays up to $60 per test. As you see. And all you gotta do is enter your email and agree to the terms. Get paid $10 via PayPal every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you to visit website or app, complete a set of tasks, speak your thoughts aloud. That's all you have to do. If you want to, you can watch a 2-minute video right here. Shows you how it works. As you see, it's New York Times, Huffington Post, Wall Street Journal. All these people have talked about it. More than 3 million tests have been taken. You know, it is definitely a way to get some extra money coming in. And I know right now in this world that we're living in, with everybody being confined and everything else, every little dollar is going to help. That's the reason why I'm showing y'all this. None of these websites cost you to sign up and do it. It's all, you know, and as you see, they're accepting testers from all these countries right here. I'm not going to call them all out. Y'all can get on this website and find it the same as I can. You know, it's really a good thing that you can make money nowadays online without really any skills whatsoever. I mean, this is probably the easiest way to make money. And I'm going to click on get paid to take test because that's how you sign in. Or sign up, I'm sorry. Of course, if you want to sign in, you click here where it's going to say log on right there. But it's to sign in, which, you know, it's not hard. There again, it's like I showed you. Email address, visit website or app. It's nothing hard. But as I said, remember y'all, I come out with videos 3 times a week. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know if it helped you. I hope it did. Till next time, we'll talk to y'all later.